Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to choose your courses for the upcoming school year using StudentVue or ParentVue. For the purposes of the video today, I'm going to be showing you on a computer version, but you can use the app on your phone if you would like. So to start, from the home screen, you're going to find where it says Course Requests on the left-hand side, and go ahead and click there. For the purposes of today, also we are using a rising 10th grade student. You can see that right here. You can also see that the student has started selecting some courses for next school year. So we're going to go ahead and finish that today. So once we click on the blue button, you can see that it brings us to the course request selection page. You can see here the courses that were chosen, and you can also see that there are buttons here that you can go ahead and click on to remove any courses if you make a mistake or if you want to edit it along the way. When you scroll down, you can see all the courses that are offered for all 10th grade students, because remember, our sample student is in 10th grade. The first button is the Add Request button. You are going to use this for your core classes and for your first choice electives. And then we also have the Add Alternate button, and this is for your alternate electives, your second choice electives, or your backup electives as we call them. And all students should have about 3 alternate electives. To search for courses, you can simply use the drop-down arrow here, and you can select whatever subject you are looking for. If you happen to know the course ID number, you can search by course ID number. And then you can also search by course title. So if you know the course title, you can go ahead and start typing it, and it will pop up. As a reminder, please make sure that you are referring to the middle school and high school course pathways guide for all Spotsylvania County students, and that can be found on our division's webpage and also your school's web pages as well. So if we take a look at what the sample student has already chosen, they've already chosen 4 classes, but we're missing quite a few here to make a full schedule. So we are going to first take care of their English class. So when I click on English, it's going to sort out all English options for rising 10th graders. And I want to point out that for some subjects, there are different levels and titles of English classes, or it could be science or math. So for English 10, we have an Honors English 10 option, a regular English 10 option, and if you see, there's a second Honors English 10. But if you look at the coding, they have different letters. The G is for our Governor's School kids. So for Governor's School, make sure you're choosing that for your course. And then we also have Honors and Regular. So this student's going to go ahead and click on Regular English 10. And once you click, it actually goes right up here to your selected courses. Next up, this student needs a world language. And so I did the arrow. I found the world languages. I'm actually going to click on French 3. Now this student has 6 credits total and needs 8 to make a full schedule. This student is actually interested in the Career and Technical Center. So I'm going to do the drop down again, and I'm going to search Career and Tech. And under the Career and Technical heading, there are lots of different electives to choose from. Like I said, this student is interested in the Career and Technical Center, so I'm going to go ahead and find the course that they're interested in, which is the Construction Pathways course, and hit Add Request. As a reminder, all career and technical classes for the Spotsylvania Career and Tech Center and JROTC classes require an application. Please make sure you are completing that application. If you have questions, contact your school counselor. So we've selected Construction Pathways, and that brings us to a total of 8 credits. Now the student is going to need their alternate electives or their backups. So I'm going to go back to this drop down, and I'm going to go to Fine Arts. And the first backup that we're going to choose is Theater Arts 2. And if you can see, it's telling us that the student is currently enrolled in Theater Arts 1. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add Alternate for Theater Arts 2. Next, I'm going to choose Art 1 as an alternate. Now, this student is interested in individual development. So I'm going to go ahead and start typing in the search bar, individual development. And as I start to type, you can see it pops up, individual development, add as an alternate. So now let's review. The student has a full schedule of 8 credits and also has 3 alternate electives. If the student wants to make any edits, remember we can click remove and go ahead and add whatever course we want to add. If we click right here, we go back to the course summary to review. If the student is satisfied, they can go ahead and lock course requests. That's how easy it is to choose your courses for next year. As a reminder, if you have any questions, please contact your school counselor and they'll be able to answer any questions for you.